There's a big misconception all over social media that, you can build a 3D printed house for $25,000 or some ridiculous amount. It's still construction, and there is perhaps 75% of the home is still the same as conventional construction. We're still putting conventional wood trusses on top. We're still putting roofing on there. There's still electrical and plumbing and cabinets and floor covering and doors and windows. There is still all of that stuff. And all those costs have even gone up over the last couple of years. And those still exist even in 3D printing. We are simply printing the walls for now. Interior walls and exterior walls, but we're printing only the walls. Having said that, we have a current design, the one home that we have designed right now that is 1,200 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We are estimating that by 3D printing it, we're saving about 11%. Now, you can apply that 11% all over the state. Here in Redding, California, the average price to build a home may be $300 a square foot, where somewhere else in the state it's $500 a square foot. I think the 11% will apply anywhere, that savings. Now, a big part of that savings comes from the fact that when we actually print our walls, we're not only printing the structure, but we're printing the exterior finish and the interior finish. All it needs is paint. Now, if somebody wants something different, if they want some stone on the exterior or some siding or other things, certainly any of that can be done, but it will add to the cost naturally. If they want some different looks on the inside, absolutely we can do it, and it will cost. There will be opportunity to save more money as we go. Our very next version of 3D printed design will include actually 3D printing the foundation as well, so that we don't have to spend all the time in setting up form boards and then taking them down afterwards and making sure they're perfect. We can have the computer perfectly lay out that foundation exactly where it needs to be, and we don't have the mistakes and we don't have all the labor required in doing that. So I see a day in the very near future where maybe that 11% can bump up to maybe 20%, which is significant if you think of the overall cost of a home.